Good day, everyone. This is John Richard P. Brisa from Mia's News Center. And now, we are excited to welcome the team from Mia's Ilocos branch. These folks have traveled all the way from Ilocos. Now, you might be wondering why they are here. This team of people will be representing Mia's at the Biology Olympiad that will be held at Ateneo University. But before we dive deeper, let's give credits to where it is due. Special thanks to the Mia's Ilocos branch and Ma'am Collado for making this trip possible.
Yes, before tayo mag-umpisa, syempre, kailangan namin nang i-introduce yung mga sarili namin para makilala ng mga Black Knights. Yan. Hello Black Knights, hello everyone. I am Rudy Manuel.
Hi everyone, I am Francine Mina.
Hello everyone, I am Liza May Vallador.
And we are from Mia's Ilocos. Ayan.
So the first question would be, ano po yung naging excited kayo or looking forward to the competition that you will be joining?
Yes, pupunta kami or attend kami maki-contest sa Ateneo ng PBO, Philippine Biology Olympiad. Kinakabahan kami but excited kami kasi syempre national national contest na yan kaya kailangan naming paghandaan.
Yes, and also I am looking forward to kasi it's Ateneo. It's one of the big four universities and also I wanted to socialize with everybody and also to enjoy.
Yan.
Siyempre, national level na to. As expected, mahirap ito. But we are expecting na merong lesson kami na matututunan at makagain kami ng different knowledge.
Okay. Great enthusiasm. Our next question would be, ano pong masasabi nyo dito sa Mia's Caloocan branch? And ano po yung mga possible na nakita nyo na napamangha kayo?
Yes, grabe talaga. Pagkapasok pa lang namin dito sa Mia's Caloocan, na mga talaga kami kasi ang laki pala, ang lawak pala ng main branch. We are very happy and we are very grateful because we have the opportunity para i-explore itong Mia's Caloocan, which is the main branch.
Yes, and also I was very amused kasi ang dami nilang gamit dito, no? Sana sa Ilocos din, di ba?
Siyempre, kakasimula para ng Ilocos branch, we are expecting na makakuha rin kami ng different facilities gaya dito sa Mia's Caloocan branch.
Yes, sana.
So, absolutely. Thank you po sa mga answers and your time for this meeting for today.
Yes, po. Yes, thank you.
There you have it, folks. Now stay tuned to Mia's News Center for more updates. This has been John Richard P. Brisa, signing out.